Tuna Lines Tech. So today we are working on a really old valve. So this valve is an orbit valve, and it's a pneumatically operated valve. So it has a cam and a piston. The piston moves up and down and it spins the cam. So piston comes down, it closes the valve, piston comes up, it opens the valve, or vice versa. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna maintenance the valve. It has an injectable packing gland. It injects the packing in the packing gland area. There's a bunch of chevron seals that are stacked up in there, and injects this liquid type packing into that gland to tighten it up so it stops leaking. It's slightly leaking up there right now, so I gotta go put my ammonia mask on. He's gonna wear his ammonia mask. I'm gonna grease it first. Once I grease it, and then I'm gonna try to move the adjustable packing in. So I'm gonna suit up and I'll see you up there. Okay. So, right now it's leaking out of those little weed holes. Right here. That's where it's leaking. We're going to try to make that go away. So, there you go. Here. Mark the jerk fittings off. Always just start with the top off first. Look at that packing grind. Try one more time. Yeah. Toss her up. It doesn't look like it stopped it from leaking. It slowed it down a little bit, but I'll go down there and I'll tell you. Hang on. Alright guys, so the packing's all the way in already. It looks like they tried to bring that injectable packing in as far as it could go. I got maybe a couple extra turns on it. It did slow it down a little bit, but not enough to stop it from leaking. So what that requires us to do now is to pump down the whole header close to 0 psi, just so when you take that out, you can put a new one in. There is a ball and check in there. You're going to have to make sure that stays in there. If not, if you lose it, you're going to have to have backup, have a spare ready to go just in case. But we're going to have them service the valve right now. I'll open and close it, and see if that fixes our issue temporarily. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we went through that valve and we found that it's still leaking. It has an injectable packing on the side. You just crank it in. It's about 5 full turns, and it should stop the packing leak. But it didn't have 5 turns available, so someone's already turned it in 5 times. When it's now leaking again, so that packing needs to be replaced. But in order to do that, I got to pump out the whole line. So it's just barely leaking out of there. You barely smell it. And then the linkage in the actuator pneumatic piston is kind of hanging up a little bit because I think it's on its side. Most of them are vertical. This one is on its side because it didn't have the headroom, so they put it in on its side so it fit. But yeah, that's the style of valves they had back then. Nowadays the valves we have will fit with just about 12 inches above the valve, so or the pipe, it should fit just fine. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.